Today I'm going to show you when to repot seedlings. I'm Troy Haynes and welcome to the Corn Report. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button anytime during the video. Today I'm going to show you when to repot your seedlings. If you're growing plants from seed or you purchase plants at the local garden center, there can be a lot of confusion figuring out when it's time to put your plants into bigger pots. Too soon, their roots might struggle to develop in too big of a pot, and you may find it difficult not to overwater. Seedlings like to be hugged in their pots. This encourages them to develop a good thick root system that will help them later in life against wind and rain. Too late and you may be missing out on some critical early growth. We want our plants to be as big as possible before we bring them out to the garden, so when is the right time to pot up? Let's get to it. First, let's look for the signs. Thankfully today I happen to have some peppers and tomatoes that need to be repotted. Let's start with the peppers. With seedlings that have never been repotted, it is a good rule of thumb to transplant your seedlings when it has fully developed its second set of leaves. Remove your seedling from its original pot with great care. The roots are very fragile at this stage and can break easily. I like to use peat pucks. Just tear off the outside of the pod. If you're growing in a starter tray, push up from the bottom underneath the pot to pop them out, or use a butter knife to gently pry them out. Once out, I'm going to plant them in a 3-inch pot, just below the first set of leaves. Most gardeners like to repot twice or more. You'll know it's time to pot up again when your plant is at least 3 times taller than the mouth of the pot they're in. Another sign that your plant needs new home are yellowing or dying of the first set of leaves, yellowing of the plant, or if you need to water them more than usual. Be careful handling the plant. Always hold it by the root ball. I like to tip bigger plants upside down and hold the stem between my fingers, supporting the soil. Gently remove the pot. I am transplanting this plant into a 2-liter milk container. I'll bury the plant up to the second set of leaves. Don't forget to water and before and after you repot. So that's it in a nutshell. Please check back with me in a month or so and see how our tomatoes and peppers are doing. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up or comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Facebook at The Corn Report. I'm Troy Haynes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and thanks for looking at my corn.